Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to do some beautiful clear pinkish flower nails. These are totally inspired by Isabel May nails. Her stuff is amazing, and I was like, I need to do this on my nails right now. So I have pink one step almost all over my nails. I did take some of it down, but there's still obviously quite a bit on my nails. So I'm going to take gelish foundation, and I'm gonna fast forward this part because you guys have seen this a million times. Because again, I'm trying to use up products that are almost gone or just to get through the next product. So I don't have so many. But so I'm applying this all over the nail, and then I'm gonna give this a cure. It's a quick cure. I believe it's a 10-second cure. And then we are going to go in with some builder gel. Now, I'm going to encapsulate these flowers, so I want it to be thin, but since I have pink one step on and I want it to be pink underneath, I need like a really strong color, if that makes sense. So I'm taking Ideal Pink Builder. And what's different between the builder gels and like a one step is the viscosity. So this has a very, very thick viscosity. So if you looked at that jar, you'll see the indents of where I actually take the gel out. That's because it is not a leveling gel. Now it's not too important because we are encapsulating if there's a few lumps and bumps in it. So I'm not too worried about it, but if you're looking for something to level, this is not the product. Do like Baby Pink Extreme or Pink One Step. That is something that will level on your nails. But again, I'm just applying a super thin layer, so I will go ahead and let you watch that, and I'll kick.
I'm on my last straw. I'm broken and I'm woken up. I'm done feeling your lies. I've had enough. I can't run your place in this faulty game. And all the words you speak mean nothing more to me. 'Cause let's start over now. Rewind. And I won't let you go. I need you by my
I'm taking these flowers that I got off Amazon. I have an Amazon haul. I think it's up. I'm not 100% sure. If it's not, it will be up soon. So I'm just gonna show you what I do. Essentially, I take these things apart, cut them, move them around, but you'll be here forever if we did this. So I'm taking Jimmy Gel, so we have like a wet layer to put into. I probably could have done another pink one, but I didn't want to risk having the pink overlap it, because like I wanted essentially the flowers to really be the moment. So again, cutting things up, moving it, adding some gold leaf, and I absolutely love these. They just speak to me, and I'm doing my opposite hand, so it took me some time. This would have been much easier to do on using my dominant hand. I'm just saying. But again, just picking up little pieces. Again, I cut them, and should I say again one more time? Sometimes I just get annoyed with myself when I do voiceovers. Anyway, so grabbing greenery. I wanted a lot of greenery, and I wanted a lot of gold, but wanted a lot of flowers as well. So I jam-packed it. Oh yeah, this is if you have any sticking up, just grab that and pull it down. So again, I have just a small layer of Jimmy Gel. So if I'm pulling down on that, I'm not gonna have any run into my cuticles. That's important. You don't want thick gel and using that saran wrap, otherwise it will run everywhere. So again, thin layer, and that's why I can cure that with that on there. Because think I had 1 or 2 sticking up. And then coming into the pinky, and then we're gonna encapsulate this. So I show you a couple nails that I encapsulate, but then I fail and I don't record the top gloss, like the top gloss, top coat, or like the outro nails things that I do. Yep. I don't know what happened. I recorded them. They just ended up not being there. So like I have literally a blank one. So I think I hit the record twice and one was too dark. So I went to record it again and then it was too dark. So then it was just literally 2 seconds long. So I messed up. So I show you encapsulating 2 nails and you can see how pretty it is once I encapsulate it. So I do show you a photo at the end, but thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this, even though it's a little bit of a hot mess, but it's okay. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.